are back, Outlaw TV, and today I'm doing what my sister did earlier. That was like 5 seconds ago. We're doing the pony challenge. Unfortunately, we had to take hers apart.
I don't
She's very upset.
I don't like you.
And now I'm going to make mine. And I just want to say, we've got a new background. It's a Minecraft poster. It's my Minecraft poster. I had to take it out of my room. And I don't know why that's there. Okay, these are the two colours we'll be using. This is purple, but it's that colour. Okay, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so legs. I'm gonna do them like long, quite long. Not too long though, because that can just look a bit weird. Too long?
Let's go.
I think that's quite good.
It looks like a tree stump.
Thanks.
In my view.
Tree stump. That's nice. Actually, I think I'm gonna make mine smaller than Jess's because it might leave me a bit extra. Did you just move the camera?
Yeah, I just moved it closer because you can see it very well.
Duh! This is so annoying. Okay, that's good.
I forgot to do the wings on mine.
Oh, never mind. Didn't need wings.
That's going to be an advantage for you if you do wings.
Well, I'm not going to do wings if you didn't do it.
But you're supposed to.
I'm not going to.
I got my bracelet.
Well, oh yeah. Jesse's going to do tutorials on new bands. Yeah.
These.
I'll show it. Look. That's awesome, isn't it? It's called an infinity one? Yeah. I'm going to wear it.
Give it back.
Okay. Big hand. Yeah, too big.
Your legs are fat.
Well, you can't speak.
It's for those though, I meant.
Oh. I thought you meant my actual legs.
I didn't.
Even though they are. Okay,
What should we do in our next video?
I don't know. We'll plan.
I want to do pig racing for the next video.
What?
On Minecraft.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't play with me though. It looks really weird.
Or we could do something else. How about when we upload this video, if we've already made that video, the subscribers can choose the video that we should do. The next video that we do.
Okay, this is, I'm not trying to be evil or anything, but I'm gonna do wings.
He's got an advantage.
Vote for me.
Vote for me. Even though mine's fat.
That's not nice.
Your wings look weird.
I know.
They look like.
Okay, now it's.
They look like lollipops.
Oh no!
From my view, they look like lollipops.
Wow.
Yeah, they
Your
look
view
like
has got the
lollipops.
weirdest things.
What? I like lollipops.
Talking of lollipops, aren't we going to have them today?
Yeah.
Cool.
You don't have to say that in the middle of a video.
I just felt like it.
That's weird from my view.
It's the hair.
It looks like it has a mohawk.
It does.
Because it's got this big pointy bit at the top of his head.
Okay, just one massive eye.
It looks like his tail. He looks like his hair's going all the way through his tail.
looks really weird from this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
From the back, it looks like it has a ponytail.
There. That's my done.
What?
It's good. I like it better than yours.
My one. So if when you vote, mine's vote 1.
My one's vote 2.
Yeah.
Because I did the second video, of course. Okay, so subscribe and leave a like down there. And bye.